Done with the book. Let's get started. Oh, damn it. I have to do a book report. Right now, I gotta go fill some corn buckets, I guess. Well, Dad's chopping a lot. He got this full done. The one way back there, you can't see it. He got that done. And he's doing the one by the highway, which will probably be done by tonight. Good morning.
It's okay, buddy.
You're gonna get these bones, so chill out. Done with my book report. Going to school. Just ate some cookies, now I'm gonna drink some milk. I'm gonna go do chores now. There's a kitty. He's climbing the pillows. Josh buried the freaking skid steer in cow crap, so I have to get it out now. Oh my god. Looks like Mom's home. Now I'm doing some laundry. Josh got the tractor stuck and now he wants me to move it, but I am not. I don't know how to do a tractor. And now he's really pissed off, yelling at me. Okay, everybody is pissed off right now, especially Mom. I'm putting her ice cream away and she said I could just stay inside and play with the cat. That's pretty easy for me. But Josh literally drove the tractor into a pool of mud. Now, that's not really smart. I even know that. But I don't know. Now he's using bricks. I'm not sure what that's going to do. Maybe put them under a tire to get more traction. And now Josh is throwing his hat all over and yelling at Mom because she doesn't know how to drive a tractor. God, please keep them safe. Josh was supposed to work 4 to 7. Would have been a lot better if he would have done that. What? Same.
How was that room?
Yeah. I mean, I did.
They got the tractor out. Dad helped Josh. I didn't take much.
Get 2 sandwiches. Okay.
What the fuck? The older one. Good night, pork chop. Apples and caramel dip, part 3. Good morning, kitty. Going to school. Back from school and at my grandma's.
Hi.
Sure.
What are you eating?
Eating some Brownie Thunder with FOD. Josh and Mother went into Walmart. Josh needs some socks. Anyone know what this blinking thing is? Sort of looks like a bomb. I am not sure at all. Off-roading. I'm gonna go do chores. I'm gonna take down the garbage. We're up to 56 buckets. Once all this corn is done, I will not be doing this anymore. It's a bit cold outside. I should be wearing a sweatshirt. Some person just came down and he wants to put up some Trump signs. So I hope he puts up a Hillary for prison one because that would be pretty chill.
I'm making Christmas gifts for my sisters.
Here you go, Brady. Josh and Dad went to CCD. Josh left like freaking out because he lost his wallet. I'll probably find in like 10 seconds. Where could it be? Pretty hard to do. If you like that song, it will be listed below. So, take a look at that. Buddy's in the house, say what? Hi, bud. I have this report to do. Is it ethical to use aborted fetal tissue for bio research? It's a bit odd to me, so no. Buddy's gonna get the leftovers. Now every like 15 to 20 videos I make, I have to like restart my iPod for some reason. It does not hold storage. And I do all of my editing on my iPod, so it's pretty important to have storage. Wang with pork chop. I would shoot my bow, but the sight is messed up on it. Alright. I'm gonna probably go eat a snack, work on the report. Pork chop likes to go inside my book bag for some reason, but this vlog was not really outdoorsy, but like it. There's a lawnmower. Wait, that's a vacuum, never mind.